When you look at everything you've built, will a legacy be among them? Creating a lasting, charitable legacy is easier and more affordable than you might think. To learn how, visit torontofoundation.ca. The art of wise giving. At Shell, we're exploring a broad mix of energies. We're making our fuels and lubricants more advanced and more efficient than before. With our partner in Brazil, we're also producing ethanol, a biofuel made from renewable sugarcane. And we're delivering natural gas to more than 40 countries around the world. Let's broaden the world's energy mix. Shell, let's go. Losing memories to Alzheimer's is devastating enough. Now imagine losing your future. The prospect of Alzheimer's is terrifying for Sadie. She's 28 years old. Her dad was just 57 when it took his life, putting her risk at an unnerving 50%. Now, Sadie lies awake at night, wondering how much time she has.